Good afternoon, everyone. As we know that we are doing Walk the Talk segment, and with us we have Path Sharma today.
Thank you,
Hello,
Mr.
Path.
Manas, for having me.
So, as we know that we are going to discuss on how COVID has changed our lives. So, let's talk how it has impacted our personal life.
So, Mr. Manas, post-COVID, we have seen a lot of people have started coming out of their homes. They have become more health conscious, and they are now more than ever keen to know what they're taking in their calorie counts, their meal portions, and their overall fitness in general. Like people are joining fitness clubs, gyms. I feel it's in a right way, in the right direction, because health is wealth, as we all know. There's a very famous quote. So, and just to add to that, remoteness has also been there in after COVID, but that does not mean people are not health conscious. So they can perform their yogas and exercises at their home using their machines which they have.
So, as you said, that people are becoming more health conscious, which you are right, but how it has impacted the work life balance after COVID?
So yes, that has been tricky for most of the people because now in the schedule of a normal 5 to 6 person, they have a gym slot or any fitness slot either in the morning or in the late evening. They have to make sure, I mean, that they don't affect their work with their fitness, of course, because both goes in hand to hand. They're complementary to each other. And the Generation Z, which current generation, has been able to do it brilliantly, I would say, because they bring the energy to the work and with the same enthusiasm and energetic personality they are able to perform the fitness tasks also, so they take keen interest in both of the worlds, I would say. So I
Yes,
don't think so it
yes.
should be much of a problem.
I would agree with you that Gen Z has been a lot active with the gym routines and what they are consuming as their diet.
Yes.
So, as we all know that COVID-19 has increased digitalization in
Yes.
the work
Yes.
as well as in our personal lives. So, how would you like to discuss on that topic?
So just to tackle your answer, I would say that both in academic sector and in corporate sector, digitalization has been there, and it has both pros and cons. Because the cons would be firstly like the communication, the face-to-face communication which we used to have, has been lost to the digital
I
media.
completely agree with you.
And the pros would be people from living all around the world can access to proper education and they can work from their home. And it also helps the companies in lots of method means such as cost cutting, for example. And it's also very easy for the employees as they don't have to commute. So it's kind of a win-and-win situation for both employee and the employer.
So, what are your views on work from home culture? Is it good or is it bad for us?
I think so. The right answer to this question is not there. It depends on the perspective and which type of generation you are living in. If you are in from millennials, I think so. You would be more focused in face-to-face interactions and the experience you gain in the real life. But the current generation, Generation Z, is more focused in the digital media, digital world. So I feel it depends on the era we are living in. Both are very valid points, and both are pros and cons.
So, how would you like to conclude all these things like how our life has changed post COVID? What were the key factors and how it has changed our life? Let me give you just give a conclusion on it.
Right. Just to sum it up, I would say a lot of positives can be taken into consideration from the post-COVID life, such as health conscious people. People are more health conscious, and the digitalization has been the mostly beneficial than the negatives. It's more accessible. It has made more accessible. Education is now more easier to access, and people now understand, even 1%, what true connection meaning of human is, because during lockdown we didn't know what was connection. Thank you, Mr. Manas.
So it was a great discussion with you, Path. So as Path rightly mentioned, everything it was a great meaning of how post-COVID our lives have changed. Thank you.